bedhead and pajamas on. Hey, I am making a new recipe for keto pancakes. I'm just kind of creating it. I want to share it with you because when I used the coconut flour last weekend, it was just difficult to flip. And so these are the ingredients that I use this time. And I'm also using a different kind of oil. This oil is from Designs for Health. I actually sell this. It's a physician's line. It's not a network marketing company. It's a physician's line, and this oil is wonderful to cook with. So that I changed. And then also I'm using the tapioca flour instead. So, oh, here, let me change this around. Oh, maybe I can't. Okay. So anyway, they're starting to cook up a little bit better. So that's good. So I'll be back. I've flipped these two already. They're fully cooked, but they're not getting brown. But like literally, like. So there we go. I wonder what they're gonna taste like. This is using the tapioca flour instead of the coconut flour, and instead of using a different kind of like a regular coconut oil, I'm using this oil, which is a liquid, which is fantastic, and it's really loaded with super clean and pure, beautiful fat. So, I don't know, maybe I didn't use my baking. Okay guys, so here's the deal. These are rubbery, like super rubbery. I think the trick might be for your best keto pancake is to use half tapioca flour and half coconut flour. So I'm gonna try that now. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's thicker when you add the coconut, so it's about equal amounts of tapioca and coconut flour. I didn't really measure, you guys, but you'll figure it out. And then I made a ball and then just kind of pressed it down. So let's see. So it's still, yeah, so I think this might be a little bit better, not so rubbery, so we'll see. Okay guys, got it figured out. The key to making great keto pancakes is using half of tapioca flour and then half coconut flour, and then using the KTO coconut oil from Designs for Health, which is my doctor's line. And look at the bottom ones are flat and rubbery, and look at the top ones. Ooh, they were delicious. So hope that helps you. Look at the link below, and that's where you can go to order more keto products that you love, including ketones at an affordable price. Actually, how about I give you a discount? Type in FIRST25 when you check out at fastketo.com, and you'll get a 25% discount off your first order. All right, have a good day. The brand Walden Farms. Some people aren't a fan of this. I think it's your healthiest option if you're going to do sugar-free or calorie-free when it comes to syrups and dressings. Especially when I was competing in my fitness competitions, I would use that. Sometimes we just are dying for it. So this is delicious, but I thought these might be fun to try as well. So there you go, Walden Farms. I just ordered off Amazon.